All right, today I'm gonna be showing you a $50 cheap tire sprayer situation for your drift car. It's gonna be super simple, super easy, nothing complicated at all. So starting here, all right, what you're gonna need for the tire sprayers are gonna be 2 L brackets, PVC tube like this. You can get it at any hardware store. AutoZone sells this. I'll leave a picture of it. It's just a universal sprayer kit as seen right here on most people's hoods. A couple T-fittings. I personally got this entire pack on Amazon. It includes everything you see here. There's a bunch of pieces on it. Connectors, fittings, right angles, 4-ways. Super easy. Nothing needs to be special here. Nothing is high pressure. And then that's really it. This entire system cost me less than $50, and you'll see at the end of the video here, it's super effective and super easy to do. No leaks. And yeah, so I did this on my 1992 NA Miata, and this is more of a universal thing, but I'll show you the setup I did here. From factory, this is my overflow tank, or my windshield washer tank, I mean. There's this tube right here that comes off of the little pump that's at the bottom of it, as you can see there. And that tube just comes up here and then usually feeds to this nipple on the hood that obviously provides water so that you can clean your windshield off. And this is still usable with the tire sprayer system I have, but you will need a ball valve between this and this tube that leads to here so that you can turn it off and have it just so your tires will spray. But that's a little bit more complicated. You don't need to do that. You can just go straight up hose to the rear. So I ran that little PVC hose that I was talking about right here through the back of the firewall. You see there's a little grommet back there, if I can find it. Yeah, there's a little grommet back there that you can run that tube through. Ran it through the car, comes out at the passenger well. You can see it right here. That tube comes down into here, runs along the inside, comes up, and then if you own a Miata, you know that there's a little hole back there that leads straight to here, which I ran that tube through. As you can see, it comes through right here. That leads to this little T-fitting here. That T-fitting allows it so both rear tires over here and over here can get water. As you can see, I put a little hole in the wheel well there where that tube comes in. And you can see that tire sprayer right there. That little fitting that's screwed into it with the hose on it was $20 for both pieces, this side and the other side from AutoZone. Those little L brackets are from Ace Hardware and were 95 cents a piece. And then the bolt I have there is just a simple self-tapper. You can use any of these. They're not heavy duty. There's no issue with that. Of course, coming to this side as well, that T-fitting just runs under my carpet here, as you can see. Have it sitting in these little lines here, and then another hole coming into the wheel well here. This one is leaking right now because I just put some water through it, but there's just another L bracket there, that fitting, and then the hose, of course. Of course, I'll put everything in the description that I bought, but it's a super simple system, and I'll show you right now how it works. This is gonna be the driver's side. Passenger side right here. So that's it. There's really nothing to it. It's super simple, less than $50, and you can have this entire system done within less than 20 minutes. It really didn't take long. Now, this is a universal system. This takes 20 minutes on a Miata. Not sure how long it'll take on a different vehicle, but I mean, everywhere I see is people spending $100, $200. It's just super simple. It's really not that complicated. So I'm gonna use it today, and I'll either put an update on how it goes or I won't. We'll see if I remember.